If you like tuna poke bowls, the absolute best ones are the ones that you make because you know what ingredients are in them. This one is very simple, clean ingredients, good for you, and I love the flavor. You really can't go wrong with healthy food alternatives and food-grade essential oils. For these yummy Ahi Tuna Poke Bowls, start with sushi-grade tuna cut into half-inch cubes, olive oil, Bragg's liquid aminos, minced garlic, and 3 essential oils, lemon, lime, and ginger for digestion and detox, sesame seeds, rice vinegar, sriracha sauce, salt, and then 1 whole diced avocado, plus fresh chopped cilantro. This is it. That's all it is. It's so simple and it's so yummy. It's ready to serve. And you can serve with rice or cauliflower rice like I'm showing it here, plus any type of vegetables that you like. Healthy is simple. Please ask your questions in the comments below, then like and subscribe. As a health and weight loss coach of many years, I help people like you improve gut health naturally by starting with a free health assessment in the description below. So take that next step, and thank you for watching.